Hey guys, welcome to my office. I had to create a space where I wasn't just thinking about myself. I do live with somebody else, and so it was challenging, but I think we found a really great way to create symmetry between the two personalities. So I've done that using one elongated desk and matching shelves on the walls. The analytical side is made up of various genres, from academia to history, and you see this theme through its knickknacks and memorabilia, such as the World War I grenades, the world globe, the Newton's cradle, and other unique elements. And then we also had the creative type who loves poetry and comic books and all things nerdy. I'll let you take a guess which one's which. We both have a common passion for space and the universe and planets, so we wanted to create a color that would be indicative of that. So we went with a dark blue, but then we painted everything else white that really made it feel bright and open. I have a plant obsession. This is Phil, this is Peter Quill, and that's Rupert. I was able to connect my love of plants to the other side of the room where we took a little bit more of a minimal approach, but you can still see the connections through the space. To further distinguish each side, I focused on distinct lighting. I found this banker's light at an old antique market and I just love it. Banker lights kind of remind me of analytical mindsets. It has a beautiful brass stand with a green glass lampshade, which I feel speaks to a more analytic, timely identity. On my side of things, I used a more delicate Moroccan lantern strung across the bottom shelf, which I feel represents my creative, quirky side. I've completed the look with a table lamp that's more clean and modern, but distills big personality through its use of rose gold accents. Lastly, I added a bit of warmth to the space by trickling a variety of textures through the room. I added a fur throw rug on this beautiful antique wood chair, a bold pattern hand-knotted rug on the floor, and these beautiful sheer window curtains that have these wonderful floral patterns stitched right through it. We needed one space where you could shut the door and just get work done. But on top of that, you need a space that makes you feel creative, and you need a space that's going to foster productivity. And I love the way that each piece connects to one another. Even though we have such different personalities, they find a way to connect. And I'm really happy with the way that it turned out. I name them because I feel like if I humanize them, at least we'll keep them alive.